Forget generic store-bought. Let's create professional cards from scratch, effortlessly, using the power of Adobe Creative Cloud. We'll be focusing on creating your design using Photoshop or Illustrator for flexible image editing and design. Then exporting it for printing. You can alternatively create your card using Adobe InDesign. The process is similar, just the design interface will be different. First, choose your preferred application. Open your Adobe Creative Cloud app and hit Create New. Now, let's set up our document. Under Print Presets, select a standard card size, like a 5 by 7 inch. Adjusting the width and height. If you want to create a folded card, double your width or double your height. We'll also need to set the resolution to ideally 300 ppi pixels per inch for high quality printing. Time to get creative. With a new document open, create a layout with your design elements. Import photos, draw shapes, or write text. Use guides to ensure everything stays aligned perfectly. Remember to consider the extra space around your design that ensures no white edges on the final print. About y of an inch is common. Next, customize your card. Pick colors or fonts that go with your theme by going to the Tool panel. Use the Text tool to add personalized messages. Experiment with different fonts and styles to create visually interesting cards. Once satisfied with your design, it is time to export for print. Choose Export Greater than Export as, or Save as. Select PDF for professional printing, or JPG, PNG for home printing, ensuring that the options are set to high quality. Finally, it is time to print. Send your exported file to a professional print shop or print to your own printer. Make sure to choose high-quality paper for the best outcome, or select the correct paper type if you are printing at home, and voila! You've designed and printed your own custom cards.